What's the cost of accepting a deal versus pursuing a trial? Attorney Eric Sachs explains that. Generally, a person will pay a legal fee to be represented in the case. Now, there are several different ways that attorneys do this. Some attorneys will charge the fee up front, and some attorneys will charge you hourly. Some attorneys will charge a flat fee for the case. Some attorneys will charge a flat fee for the case, but not including pretrial hearings or a trial. It depends on whom the client hires. You try a case only if you have to, not because you want to. Before the person undertakes the additional expense of paying a daily trial fee, and perhaps they want to have an expert come and testify for them, they need to evaluate the deal that is presented to them now and how the deal may affect them negatively if they take it. For instance, if you plead guilty to a charge, whether it's a DWI or the lesser DWAI, if it doesn't cost you your job and if it doesn't cost you your life to continue the same way, then that's something you need to consider before you go to trial to spend a lot of money. What is the advantage and what is the risk versus the gain? If you turn around and say, well, they offered me a lesser charge of driving while ability impaired, and that would not affect me at all. But if I go to trial and if I lose, I would lose my job. Then the client would have to consider, is it worth spending the money? Is it worth taking the risk? If I lose, I could lose my job. But if I win, I will not have a criminal record. I will not have this on my record, and I still have my job. So there's more at risk than just financial cost. There are a lot of costs that somebody has to take a look at when considering taking a deal or going to trial. Of course, when you go to trial, you never know what the outcome is going to be. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Eric Sachs in New York at 516-679-0400 or visit his website at www.esaxlaw.com.